For 242, they want us to find the slope of the lines without graphing. So for A, right, they give us 2 points. And I'm going to use the equation m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'll substitute in, right? y2 is 5 and y1 is 1, 5 minus 1. And x2 is 2 and x1 is 4, 2 minus 4. So the slope comes out to be 4 over negative 2. Slope is negative 2 for A. For B, right, a line that goes through the origin, so they're telling us 0, 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and I'll substitute in. It's 5 minus 0 over 10 minus 0, which is 5/10. So the slope comes out to be 1/2, right? Both have a common factor of 5. For C, it says a vertical line. And the vertical line, right, so this is vertical, right, vertical. And this is horizontal. Well, should be more horizontal, but, right, it should be like this, right? Okay, it's horizontal. So a vertical line that goes through the point 6, negative 5. Well, we should know by now that horizontal lines have a slope of 0, and vertical lines have an undefined slope, right? Undefined slope. So C is undefined. And then D, a line that goes through these 2 points. So again, it's x1, y1, x2, y2. And if you notice that they're giving us a horizontal line, right? They could have just said, what is it for a horizontal line? But they didn't. They gave us 2 points. So we could just use our formula. We could just recognize it's horizontal line and write m equals 0. But if you didn't, just want to show you that this does work, right? So it's y2 and y1 are both 6. x2 and x1 is 10 and 1, 10 minus 1. So we get the slope is 0 over 9, and 0 over anything is 0. So the slope is 0.